What's going on, everyone? This is Drew Vidriv Drives at Grubbs Family Dealerships, and today we're going for a drive in this 2024 Porsche Panamera. This vehicle is powered by a 2.9-liter twin-turbo V6 with 348 horsepower and 368 pound-feet of torque, made it to an 8-speed PDK. So the Panamera has always been one of my favorite Porsches. Very beautiful sedan. And this one's really, really nice. It's a regular Panamera with a lot of nice touches in here. You have like the full leather interior, Bose sound system, very beautiful white seats in this car, a lot of nice leather touches. And I really like this metal trim that's in this car. The steering wheel is beautiful with the beautiful Porsche logo. Looks so nice. You have nice heavy metal shift paddles, which is cool. This one does not have Sport Chrono package, but I like how the drive mode selector is still on the steering wheel instead of being somewhere in the screen. You have your Porsche center screen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You put the vehicle in reverse and you have a 360 view camera as well as a regular view camera. You also have AC vents up there, which is interesting. And you have to control the AC in this car through the screen, which is a little bit strange for sure. I prefer to just have regular vents, but you know, it is what it is. But yeah, this nice comfortable seats. I really, really like this interior. You have two sunroofs, one for the front seats, one for the rear seats. And you also have a gloss black trim. And this one has two screens. I didn't even realize this one had that. That's amazing. I can't really see it from my side unless I lean over. I didn't realize this one had two screens. And you have like a cockpit view, which will show you like your horsepower and torque, and you can also see the navigation and all that stuff. So that's really cool. I did not know this car had that. Well, let's walk around this car, see what it looks like. It's pretty quiet. It is a luxury vehicle after all. This one's finished in white color. You have these beautiful wheels, giant Porsche calipers. And the new Panamera has giant headlights, which look beautiful. I love that Porsche logo up front too. I love the way the new Panamera looks. It is a gorgeous, gorgeous car. You guys know how I feel about Porsche. I love Porsche. Tires are wrapped in Michelin Pilot Sport 4s. Rear seats are pretty nice. You also have a rear screen for your passengers. And even the seats are backed in leather. This one definitely has an extended leather option. I'm not sure what exactly it's called in Porsches. It's nice. You have a retractable spoiler, dual outlet exhaust. Panamera. Here's the trunk. A lot of trunk space back here, which is nice. This is a really, really good looking car. Very classy. I just love the way this car looks. Such a beautiful car. You have a wireless charging tray, as you can see over here, which I really like, that placement of that. But anyways, let's get this car out on the road and see what it's like to drive this Panamera. So far for Panameras, I have a video on a 25 model similar to this, and a 2022 model, which I uploaded a couple of weeks ago. And this car also has air suspension. Whenever you put it in sport mode, the suspension will lower and the retractable spoiler will raise at the same time. Even in the sport mode, the suspension feels really smooth, which I really like. Nice and linear acceleration as expected from this car. I like this, how the horn pad's also in leather, which is nice. Really nice touches. I'm just very impressed with how this specific Panamera has a very leather-filled interior. All surfaces have leather that I can see, you know? So that's very nice. I really, really like that. very smooth ride. It's so luxurious, the ride. I really like how the paddles are nice and heavy metal, very high quality, the kind of quality I expect from Porsche, you know. So we have now concluded today's test drive on this 2024 Porsche Panamera. Absolutely gorgeous car. Really enjoyed driving it, and I highly recommend a Panamera if you're looking at one. The specific one is for sale at Grubbs Family Dealerships, so if you're interested, please be sure to check out the link to Grubbs Family Dealerships in the description below. Thanks as always for watching Droove Drives, and if you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing. I will see you all in the next video.